the way that I see this all is, there's a lot of different flavors, a lot of different styles of, accessing this information. I think Matt's an incredible charismatic speaker, and he has all sorts of qualities that I just don't have at all. I'm definitely a different type of personality than Matt, but I wanted to understand how his program worked, just more about what he was like and what he was delivering. It's helped me to understand where I might fit in a world where people are finding your stuff on YouTube, when they're really early in their career and they're trying to find out how to get into tattooing, and then maybe they catch up with someone like Matt a few years later when they're ready to just like start getting their mindset right and making improvements in their business.
Yeah, I love seeing the way that kind of the folks who've come out of the gate as tattoo educators in the information age, say over the last 15 or 20 years, and you realize like everyone's doing their own thing. Like no one's mimicking Fireside. Like if you listen to go back to Matt Klimmer, if you listen to, and I haven't listened to a lot of their full episodes, but the clips that they're playing, they're completely lifestyle and quality of life based. They have nothing to do with drawing pictures.
Right.
If I listen to that tattoo guy or any of the other ones, they're all doing different things.
Yeah.
And it's cool to kind of see how people have found their own way, and you feel like it was going to be a really competitive environment, but I haven't found that to be true at all.
Not at all. You're right. And when you really start to look at how these leaders have popped up in other fields that are much larger than tattooing, you can see that there's so much more room for so many more people to get out there and create content that's unique and valuable, and that there's going to be an audience for. So I think it's so new for tattooing, and so we think, oh, there's already 5 people doing that, right? How could there possibly be any more? But just wait, 10 years from now when there's 5,000 people doing it, and you'll wonder how did we ever get here? And it's that abundance mindset that once you unlock that, you no longer get clammed up and worried about trying to protect what you think is yours, and you collaborate and you create opportunities to work with other people who are also awesome and are also doing the same. They're on the same mission that you're on.